Hello guys, I am Shanmugaraj and today in this video we will discuss about how to multiply a two number and without using multiplication operator. So let's be getting into the topic. So I am using function method for that operation. So we define a function for first of all, and I am assigning to our variable like that a comma b, it represent that user input of the value, and after that we need to assign particular variable for operational purpose. So I am named the variable like a result, and I am assigning that 0. So in that case uh, we need to use a absolute function for um, whether the value is negative or positive. uh, Before getting the result we need to convert that value into absolute value. So we use absolute value. So for this problem I am using for loop, and I am ranging the for loop for the value of b, and I am already told that we convert the value into absolute value. It's because whether the value is positive or else negative, we need to convert the absolute, and after that we will uh, get the result. Then we will uh, modify the result whether it is a positive or negative. Next to the for loop we need to check the iterational purpose, and we assign the result value equal absolute of a. Sorry, in that case the absolute value of b is a range function. So b is looped through entire itself the value, which means let's say example b is equal to 5. The for loop is operated in 5 times and adding the value of a at 5 times, and then each iteration that value is stored in the result variable. Let's say example a is 3, b is equal 5. The iterational purpose of b value is iterated at 5 times, and a value of 3 is added into the result variable at fifth time of the value of a, which means the a value of 3 is iterated 5 times and the value of 3 is stored 5 times in the result, which means 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. The 5 time of 3 value is added into the result. So that is the operation. After that we need to write a if condition for whether it is a positive integer or a negative integer. That's why we need to write the if condition statement. Condition number 1, a value is greater than 0 and b value is greater than 0, or else a value is lesser than 0 and b value is lesser than 0. So that's the condition. If that condition satisfied, then the return value will be result. Otherwise, we put the result into the else bar, and return will be minus sign, which means the negative sign. So this is the code to multiply the two numbers without using multiply operator. Now it's time to assigning a object, create an object, and call the result. So I'm assigning operator like multiply num. So let's we say create a object. So this is our object, and we will print to getting a result. So that's the thing we need to, and finally we need to given an input for a and b value. So we need to create some value. It's like anything, and first of all I'm given the input as a statistical method, and then we will check. Now it's time to run this program. So this is the answer, minus 30. If we need to change the integer value as a positive term, then it will be shown as a positive side, plus 30. So this is the output for this program, and thank you for your watching. Thank you.